Welcome to day 11 of 30 days Excel challenge. Today I am going to discuss with you 5 Excel tips which can boost your productivity. So the first tip is, suppose you are working in this sheet called as data analytics. You wanted to access another sheet. What you usually do is you just close it or you use this minimize button. You go somewhere else. You then open any other sheet or any other workbook, right? So instead of doing that, you can go here, file. Here in recent tab, you can see all your recent workings here. If you wanted to work on Netflix updated sales sample, you can click this. Automatically, it will get opened. You can work here. You can work from here. Uh, Suppose once again I go to file. I go to recent. So suppose I just wanted to open my financial dashboard and make some edits, but I don't want my original file to get disturbed. So at that time, what I can do is, instead of opening it directly, I can right click this and select an option called as open a copy. So this time what Excel does is, it takes my original file and makes a dummy out of it, makes a copy out of it and displays that copy to me. So if I want this, I keep this. If I don't want this, I can just press equal into mark, so it will get closed. So this is the tip number 1. So let us discuss about tip number 2. Suppose you're working with your sales data. You're working on data tab. Suppose you're just working on removing duplicates or something else, or you're working on some queries or connections or something else. You're working on data tab. Suddenly you have seen this column and you just wanted to highlight this. What you usually do, you just navigate to home tab, then apply this highlight button, right? So there is another shortcut which can save your time. So instead of doing this, you can just select all the options which you feel they are very much useful to you. Suppose I feel this insert is very much useful to me. So what I do is, I just go here, I just right click it, I just select the option add to quick access toolbar. So immediately the same option got added here. Like that, I have added all these options. As you can see, remove duplicates, data validation, increasing the size, reducing the size, conditional formatting. So irrespective of whatever tab I am using, I can just access these options. So because they are in quick access toolbar. Suppose if I wanted to remove them, I can go here, right click this, remove from quick access toolbar. It will get removed. So this is an easy way to work with Excel. So you need not remember which option is in which kind of tab. Suppose some options are in home tab, some options are in data tab. So you need not remember them. Once you can pick each and everything, and you can tag them here. So this is another trick. Uh, Now the tip number 3 is, suppose my mouse is not working. Suppose imagine I use keyboard most of the time. So with keyboard you can access all these things. So just press Alt. So then it will show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, N, J, I, P, M, A, R. All these are shortcuts to those particular tabs. Suppose I just wanted to go to insert tab, I can press Alt plus N. Otherwise, first time Alt is necessary. Otherwise, after it displays like this, you need not press Alt every time. So I just press N. Suppose I just wanted to insert a shape, then I press SH. So automatically it got opened. From these shapes, you can navigate using the arrow keys. If you press enter, that particular shape will get added to the screen. So this is how you can access Microsoft Excel by using only keyboard without using mouse. So this is the third trick. So now let's see the fourth trick. It is very easy thing. Suppose, as you can see, if I type January, February, March here, and if I select all these things and if I drag it down, automatically April, May, June, July got printed here, right? Suppose in the same way, I just want my products to get printed like this. I have these many products. I'm just selecting them. So wherever I type these two products, I want all my remaining products to be pasted like this. So even before that, I just go here, I just remove the duplicates. Okay, right. Now let us see how can I do that. So you can go to file, you can go to options. In that options, go to advanced, scroll it down. There you can see edit custom list. Just click it. So in that, select an option called as new list. So in that new list, as you can see, this thing is automatically selected. As you can see, the range got automatically selected. Press this button import. So automatically your data got selected here. So press OK. Press OK once again. So now let us try. Press Ctrl S. Now let us try hair dryer, laptop. Now if I select these two things and if I drag this, all my remaining products will appear. So thank you very much. If you really like these tricks, just share with your friends. Thank you. Have a great day.